Hi, this is Johanna. Here's a short tutorial for searching the SJSU Library Catalog to find books, ebooks, articles, journals, and more. Start by going to library.sjsu.edu. Find the one search box and enter your search terms. I've chosen to search for Martin Luther King Jr. I Have a Dream speech. You can select certain collections to look through, or you can just press the magnifying glass. You'll want to sign in to get more options. Now you can see some of the results we've gotten from that search. There's articles, books, and even videos. On the left side, this is how you can filter for availability, resource type, and so on. You can also search using the advanced search, or you can use the chat button to talk to a librarian. Have fun searching!